just good guys making great deals at Ferguson Buick GMC. We are Oklahoma's #1 Buick GMC dealer. Best price, best selection, delivering quality selection and exceptional customer service since 1972. Think Ferguson. Ferguson Buick GMC. It's just a great place to do business. Here's the vehicle for you.
A big-time example of engineering excellence with no compromise. Here comes the 2013 Sierra Heavy Duties. Rebuilt from the ground up to provide excellent trailering and payload, the Sierra HD is known for getting the toughest jobs accomplished. It has a new high-strength, fully boxed steel frame, robust independent front suspension, and asymmetrical rear leaf spring suspension. An available Allison 1000 6-speed automatic transmission coupled with the new Duramax diesel 6.6-liter delivers segment-leading power with 397 horsepower and 765 pound-feet of torque. Choose the best in technology with available XM Nav Traffic, a GPS navigation system with real-time traffic data, XM radio, USB connectivity, and an available Bose premium speaker system with a subwoofer in the center console let you personalize your driving experience. Professional grade, no compromise. The 2013 Sierra Heavy Duty.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC, the home of the 1909 four-door Sierra. The customer service is great too. We'll do everything we can to help you find the right vehicle at a great price. Ferguson is proud to be part of our community too, supporting a wide range of civic and charitable organizations. And don't forget to visit us on our Facebook page. Become a fan and check out our latest contest. Come experience a fun, informative, never high-pressured shopping experience today at Ferguson Buick GMC. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma. ThinkFerguson.com